My name is Ray Fernandez. I'm the owner of Bridge Marina. Whether you need some hands-on training, that means coming out with us on a boat and learning how to operate and navigate a boat. Or maybe you want to try renting a boat for the day, where we put you in a beautiful boat and get you out in the water with your family. Or if you're looking for more of an experience, maybe consider our boating club, which is like owning a boat, but you don't own a boat. It includes tons of upfront training, as well as throughout your entire time with us. And you get access to a fleet of different types of boat here in Lake Apatcong and in the Highlands, which could be the perfect boating experience for you. Now, maybe you're also ready to jump in and own a boat. We do that as well, whether you want a new or pre-owned boat. We represent Starcraft, as well as Four Winds, as well as Mercury and Volvo. So we have loads of different boats that we can get you into. And our team can help you choose the right thing for you. So I suggest you reach out to our team and they'll chat with you about what your family needs or what you're looking for.
It's one of the unique things about Bridge Marina is we're not just a marina. You know, we're really a boating service or a boating hospitality company where we get people into boating and then we help them stay there. And of course, this is all supported by Bridge Marina's award-winning service department, which really just makes maintaining a boat easy. And all these things combined is probably the most unique thing about Bridge Marina. We have this really strategic way to get you into boating and then keep you on the water in a safe and comfortable manner through all the services we provide. So that's something Bridge Marina really just does better than just about anybody in the entire United States. Thank you very much. I look forward to seeing you on the water.